Hi guys, welcome at another video. Today we will mount the beauty, the SPEEDPRO COBRA exhaust. And if you're new here, you know what to do. Switch it off, leave the couch or leave a room or somewhere you are watching this. Go out, ride, train, explore something. If you can, do it. I think it's much better than watch my video. But for those who stayed, I will do this. Okay, good. First one, and these two. And right now I think I have to just remove it. Yes. It's crazy that heavy. Yes. Great, but that's good. And now let's start the engine to see how it sounds like. This is craziness, guys. Woo! It scares me.
Okay guys, then we continue.
And now we finished with this. Okay, and now we should start it. And right now it's with DB Killer. craziness. And obviously I don't want to have a DB killer in, then we'll try it without.
This one? I think this one. Just the 3 bolts. First one. Second. And the third. Yes. It's hot already. Then we can start it.
Guys, this is it. This is the beauty. And if you're new here, you know what to do. Switch it off, go out, ride, practice, explore something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.